In Pakistan, there have been several cases related to the wrongful dishonor of checks where courts have held banks accountable for their mistakes. Below are a few key legal precedents that can help understand how courts handle such matters. 1. MCB Bank Ltd v. Mohammed Naeem, 2020. Facts: Mohammed Naeem, a businessman, issued a check that was dishonored by MCB Bank with the reason insufficient funds, despite having sufficient balance. The wrongful return caused him to lose a major business deal, and he sued the bank for damages. Court decision: the Lahore High Court ruled that the bank had acted negligently. MCB Bank was ordered to compensate the plaintiff for financial loss and reputational damage. The court emphasized that banks must exercise due care while dishonoring checks. 2. National Bank of Pakistan vs. Taj Trading Co, 2018. Facts: Taj Trading Company had a valid overdraft facility, but its check was returned due to an alleged lack of funds. The company sued NBP, claiming that the wrongful dishonor caused them to miss a contractual deadline with an international client. Court decision: the Sindh High Court found NBP guilty of wrongful dishonor and ordered the bank to pay damages to the company. The court ruled that banks must verify overdraft limits and customer instructions before dishonoring checks. 3. Bank Al-Fallah vs. Raymond Steel Mills, 2015. Facts: Bank Al-Fallah mistakenly dishonored a check due to a system error, even though Raymond Steel Mills had adequate funds. The company sued the bank, alleging that the dishonor damaged their credibility with suppliers. Court decision: the Supreme Court of Pakistan ruled that the bank was at fault and ordered financial compensation. The judgment reinforced the principle that banks are legally liable for wrongful dishonor, particularly when it affects a customer's business. Key legal principles established: 1. Banks must act responsibly when dishonoring checks and cannot return them without a valid reason. 2. Wrongful dishonor can lead to financial and reputational damages, and affected parties can claim compensation. Courts refer to the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 and contract laws to determine liability.